Like a dream you can't explain. Love can change the beating of your heart. Like the sunshine in the rain. Love can make your whole world fall apart. But I want it now.
Just wanna spend my life with you.
Time will show me how.
I never thought that, the traditional way would work. Or I didn't think that it would be something that would happen with me. My mom always used to tell me that, when you meet the right person in your life, it'll work out and you won't even know. And that's exactly what happened.
Apparently, both of us were not been able to find the right matches for us. I don't know how it happened. He was apparently the first guy that I met, and I wasn't convinced that, I want to make it so quick. But it just happened.
सुनो ना, कहीं क्या सुनो ना, दिल मेरा सुनो ना, सुन लो जरा, तेरी बाहों में मुझे रहना है रात भर, तेरी बाहों में होगी सुबह।
बेइंतहा बेइंतहा यूं प्यार कर बेइंतहा देखा करूं सारी उम्र तेरे निशान बेइंतहा कोई कसर ना रहे मेरी खबर ना रहे झूले मुझे इस कदर बेइंतहा जब सांसों में तेरी सांसें घुली तो फिर सुलगने लगे एहसास मेरे मुझसे कहने लगे हाँ बाहों में तेरी आके जहाँ दो यूं सिमटने लगे सैलाब जैसे कोई बहने लगे
My expectation was just to meet a girl who is very friendly, someone I can connect with, and I don't think I could have asked for anything more.
The first time I spoke to him, I just felt that he's the one. I mean, he had all the qualities that I was looking for. So once he kind of sent me a Facebook request which went to the other section. I don't know how, but I went to the other section and saw his message while he was in India. It was a family arranged thing, so I replied to him that you please ask your parents to speak to my parents.
I was talking to Rachita like through phone and email and whatnot.
He came to Delhi. It was too quick. He just had come for 2 weeks.
We spent a few days in Delhi and then we spent a few more days in Bombay.
we didn't know where our lives will take us, because I mean 2 weeks were too short to decide if we were meant to be together.
Every single moment we spent together, we felt like we've known each other for a long time. We've had really good chemistry.
When I met him the first time, I just thought that he's the man with brains I could talk to.
Rachita is very, very kind as a person and very down to earth. She's very upfront and honest about things. If she doesn't like something, she'll tell me straight up.
I think he's very patient and very calm. I, being an extrovert, impatient, I think he's the man that could handle me.
शिवादाता शिवो मंगलकर्ता बुद्धो बुद्धिबल रामात्रिणी चतुर्शक्ति योगी देवे नमः गजरत्नि दिखातानि कर्मिणः देहां सहस्रयोजने वदन्ति पापानि यन्मान्तरस्थानि तानि सर्वाणि गच्छन्तु प्रदक्षिणायां कन्यादानम् अहं च करोमि। अच्छा स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु।
I think I'm blessed to have you in my life. I'm sure you'll be on your toes forever to keep me happy. I just want to say one thing, that I love you and will love you forever.
I think that I'm really lucky to have her in my life. I really, really love her, and I look forward to an amazing life with her.
सारी उम्र तेरे निशान बेइंतहा, कोई कसर ना रहे, मेरी खबर ना रहे, छू ले मुझे इस कदर।